Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make Gobi Manchurian. Let's start the recipe. I have taken the pieces of cauliflower at this shape and kept in hot water for 10 minutes. Transfer into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 6 teaspoon of cornflour, 3 teaspoon of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour and requisite salt. Mix it well. Add few drops of water to make the masala and flour to stick together. Mix it well. Keep it for 30 minutes. Now it is ready to fry in the oil. Now I am frying in the pan which has oil. Once the oil bubbles start to reduce, you can take them to your plate. Now cauliflower is ready. Heat another pan and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add chopped garlic and ginger when the oil is ready. Stir it well. Once they fry a bit, add chopped onions. Stir it well. Add salt. Here as you have salt in the cauliflower fry and sauce, so you have to put less salt. Now the onion is turning to golden brown, so adding the chopped green and red bell peppers. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Keep stirring. Add 2 teaspoons of cornflour mixed water. Stir it well. Now add those fried cauliflowers and mix it well. Adding few chopped coriander leaves Now the tastiest Gobi Manchurian is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.